In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change candles colors on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and open TradingView. And as you can see, the bullish candles are green and the bearish candles are red. So to change that, all you have to do is go to settings here at the top right, click on it, and you have to go to symbols. Make sure you are here. And here you will see candles. We have here body, borders, and wick. This is for the bullish candle, and this all for the bearish candle. So let's say, for example, I want to change the bullish candles to, let's say, blue. So I will change this one. Also, I will change the borders and the wick. For the bearish candles, I will change them to, let's say, for example, black. So click on it and choose black here, and black here. Now after that, click on OK. And as you can see, now the bullish candles are blue and the bearish candles are black, as you can see here. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.